Let's solve next question, children. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into dash is equal to 10 divided by 30. Means here we have to fill this blank. In the next question, the simplest form of the number obtained in, means here what you are going to get it, okay, is dash. What answer we will get? For that simplest form we have to do, means lowest form. First one, 2 by 3 into dash is equal to 10 by 30. In this, children, concentrate. 2 into which number? If you took means you will get the answer as 10. Means 2 into 5 is 10. 3 in 3 table 30. 3 tens are 30. 2 5s are 10. 3 tens are 30. But the method is 10 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to 5. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Here what answer you got? The same thing we have to take and we have to simplify it. Okay. 5 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Directly we can cancel. Otherwise, HCF of 5 and 10 is 5. Is it? 5 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5. Here 5 cancel means 1s are 1s are. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2. Like this also we can simplify. Next one. Obtain the number in the box such that 3 by 5 into dash is equal to 24 divided by 75. The simplest form of the number obtained in dash is dash. Means obtained in this box is dash. Okay. First 3 by 5 into dash is equal to 24 by 75 we will take. In this 3 8s are 24, children. In 5 table when we will get 75. 5 into 15. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 5 into 15 gives 75. You can write like this. This 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 gives 8. And 75 divided by 5. If you done, you will get 15. 8 by 15. For this simplified form. Children, it is already in simplified form. 8 and 15. For these two, if you consider factors, only one will be the common factor for that. Okay? Factors of 8 and factors of 15 if you write, 8 and 15 will come in only one table, means only one will be the common factor. Then it is already in simplest form. Here 8 by 15 is in the simplest form. Let's move to the new exercise, that is exercise 2.4. First one, find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Children, now division symbol. Okay, observe carefully. Now we are going to divide the fractions. 12 can be written as 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4 as it is. Directly division of fractions we can't do, children. For that reason, we have to take this reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Okay. Then this division symbol we convert to into when we will do reciprocal of the given fraction. Okay. First question, carefully observe, then it will be easy for you to solve remaining problems. 12 by 1. Okay. This division symbol converted to into. Why means I am going to do reciprocal of this 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. Strike out. 4 fours are 16, children. 1 ones are 1. Means here 4 into 4 remain. 4 fours are 16. 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. Okay. Next one. 14 divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6 as it is you take the. Here the numerator is 14, children. Denominator nothing is there. We can take as 1. Then 14 by 1 I have written. Division symbol into I have done means I have done reciprocal for this 5 by 6. After doing reciprocal only we have to convert this sign. Okay. Then 5 by 6 reciprocal is 6 by 5. 14 into 6. 14 6 are 84. 1 5s are 5. Okay, this improper fraction convert to mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. Next number is 4, 5 6 are 30. 34 minus 30 is equal to 4. Then 16 integer 4 divided by 5. 16 integer 4 divided by 5. Next question. 8 divided by 7 by 3. We read the question. 8 by 1 into I have, if I wrote into means you should understand that I have done reciprocal. 7 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 7. 8 3s are 24. 1 into 7 is 7. Okay. In 7 table 7 3s are 21. 22, 23, 24 means 3 remain. Write it. Remainder divided by 7. convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Next one. 4 divided by 8 by 3. 4 divided by 8 by 3 as it is I have written. Then 4 by 1 into 8 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then 1 into 3 is 3, 1 twos are 2. Children, here 2 ones are 2, only 1 remain. 1 by 2 means 1 integer 1 by 2. Next one. 3 divided by 2 integer 1 by 3. Okay. 3 by 1 we can write. Divided by 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3. Here we can't strike out, children. Carefully observe. When division symbol will be there, numerator, denominator, we will not strike out. After converting it, okay, means into. Then 7 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 7. Now, however, we can't strike out. 3 3s are 9, 1 7s are 7. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9 means only 2 remain. Divided by 7. Last one. 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. Rewrite the question. 5 by 1 divided by 3 7s are 21 plus 4 is 25. Divided by 7. 5 by 1 into reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. Now see here. In 5 table we can strike out this. That's why I am going to cancel it with 5 ones are 5 5s are. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 5s are 5. And then 5 ones are 5 children. 6 7 only 2 remain. Divided by 5. Then 7 by 5 can be written as 1 integer 2 by 5. Next question children. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Means some fractions they have given. We have to do reciprocal of that. Okay, after doing reciprocal for that answer, whether the answer is in proper fraction, improper or it is a whole number, we have to write. Okay, we have to classify it. I have arranged all the given numbers in a table. Means given fractions. 3 by 7, 5 by 8, 9 by 7, 6 by 5, 12 by 7, 1 by 8 and 1 by 11. Okay, let us write the reciprocals and then we will classify it. 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Okay. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we will call it as improper fraction. Okay. If numerator is bigger than the denominator, okay, we will call it as improper fraction. Next one. 5 by 8. Reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 divided by 5. 8 is again bigger. If numerator is big, we will call it as an improper fraction. Next one. 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. Here numerator is smaller than the denominator, is it? If it is small, we will call it as a proper fraction. Okay, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Next, 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Again, 5 is smaller than denominator. It is a proper fraction. Next one, 12 by 7. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 divided by 12. 7 is smaller than 12 means again proper fraction. 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is equal to 8, which is a whole number. 1 by 11. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11 divided by 1, which is equal to 11. Again 11 is a whole number. Let's solve next question. Find 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3 divided by 2 means denominator nothing is there, means 1 we can take children. Then division I am converting it to into, means division it will become multiplication when we will do reciprocal of the only one fraction. This is very important. Every time you remember, left side value as it is we will keep children. Only right side we will do reciprocal. Okay. Compulsory you have to do reciprocal from the right side itself for all the questions. 2 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 2. After doing reciprocal, the symbols, the sign changed. Okay. 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6. If you want, you can convert to mixed fraction. Okay. Next one, 4 divided by 9 means 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 1. Here nothing is there, means 1 can be taken children. And reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. Then 4 by 9 into 1 by 5. 4 1s are 4, 9 5s are 45. Next one, 6 6 by 13 divided by 7 by 1. 7 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 7. Change the sign, okay? 6 ones are 6, 13 sevens are 91. Next one, 4 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3. Rewrite the question, children. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 divided by 3. This division symbol as it is I have written this 3 by 1 also, okay? Now I am going to do reciprocal for this. 13 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. 13 ones are 13, 3 threes are 9. Okay? And last another 2 questions remain, children. Those 2 are homework for you. 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 4. 4 integer 3 by 7 divided by 7. Thank you.